Hello friends, welcome to this new video. So in this video we are going to learn the syntax of select distinct, where, clause and count, how to use count in SQL. Okay, so in our previous video we have learned how to use select, right? So for using select in SQL we have to just write down select, then field name, okay, after that from and the table name, right, and then semicolon. Now we will learn how to use select distinct. So why we have to use select distinct? Because see, the select distinct statement is used to return only the different values. Let's say we have one column. In that particular column 100 entries are there, but some of the entries are duplicate. So if we use select distinct, right, so only different values, like unique values, will come. Okay, if you use select, all the values present in that particular column will come. Okay, so this is the difference between select and select distinct. From by using select, all the values inside that particular column will come, and if you use select distinct, only different values in that particular column will come. Okay, now inside a table, a column often contains many duplicate values, and sometimes you only want to list the different or distinct values, right? That we have learned right now. Okay, so for getting the different or distinct values, we have to use select distinct statement, right? So the syntax is same. Instead of writing select, we have to write down select distinct, then field name like column 1, column 2, or the name of that particular column from table name. Okay, now the next thing which we are going to learn in this particular video is the where clause. Okay, the where clause is used to filter the record, right? You know, while using Excel also, sometimes we have to apply the filter for filtering out some of the required data from the given huge data set. Okay, so where clause is used mainly for applying the filter, or used to filter the records. Okay, now it is used to extract only those records that fulfilled our specified condition. See, when we apply filter, whenever there is a specified condition, if the condition is true, then apply this particular filter and tell me that particular data. So similarly, whenever we are using the where clause, it will apply a filter and it will show that only that particular data that will fulfill the specified condition. Okay, now the syntax of where clause is like this: select, okay, then field name, column 1, column 2, column 3, like this. Okay, after that from table name, okay, name of the table, then where we have to specify the condition. Okay, so I'll just repeat. First select, सिलेक्ट के बाद आपको बताना है कौन से कॉलम में से आपको डेटा लेना है, कॉलम 1, कॉलम 2, और फील्ड नेम आप डाल सकते हैं. उसके बाद कहाँ से डेटा लेना है, फ्रॉम टेबल नेम. Select field name from table name, and then where, and we have to specify the condition where column 1 is equals to this or column 2 is equals to this, like this. Okay, now operators in the where clause. Okay, what are the different operators which we are going to use in where clause? So basically the first operator is equal, then greater than symbol, less than symbol, greater than or equal to symbol, less than or equal to symbol, not equal to symbol. Okay, so in some versions of SQL, the operator may be written as for not equal to. It is like this one, which is given in the statement. Okay, so these are the some important operators which we have to use while working on SQL. Okay, so let's practice some of the questions. I have 5 exercise questions. Basically, we will try to solve that particular question by using the statement we have learned. So we have learned 4 statement till now: where, select, select distinct, where clause, and we have learned count as well. So count statement is used for counting the number of entries in that particular data set. Okay, so let's solve some of the questions based on this one. Okay, so the first question from the exercise is, we have to select all records where the city column has the value Berlin. Okay, so basically in the given data set there will be one column, the name of the column is city, and we have to select that particular entries where the city is Berlin. Okay, so let's type our answer. Select, star means or asterisk means we have to select all records from, name of the table is customer. Now what we have to select, where, okay, select all values from customer table where city column has the value Berlin. Okay, if you submit the answer, see, your answer is correct. Now let's solve the second question. And the second question is, we have to use the not keyword to select all records where the city is not Berlin. Okay, so select all values from customer table where city is not Berlin. Okay, so as city is not Berlin, so we will type not city, and here we will type Berlin. Okay, and we will submit the answer. So it's correct again. Let's see what is the third question. So basically the third question is, we have to select all records where the customer ID column has the value 32. Okay, so select all values from customer table where customer ID is equals to 32. Submit your answer. Correct. Then the next question is, we have to select all records where city column has value Berlin and postal code column has value 12209. Okay, so first we will type select all values from customer table where city is equals to Berlin and the name of the next field is postal code is equals to this one. We'll submit the answer and it's correct. Now let's solve the last exercise, last question. The question says that we have to select all records where the city column has value Berlin or London. Okay, so we will type select all values from customers table where city is equals to Berlin or city is equals to London, and we will submit the answer. Okay, so we have solved all the 5 questions and all the 5 questions were correct. So in this way you can practice SQL questions. So what we have learned in today's video, we have learned how to use select statement. We have solved some of the exercise based on this particular statement as well. Select distinct. So select is used to select the required data from the data set. Select distinct is used to select the unique data from the given data set. Where is used to apply some of the condition. Okay, if the condition is true, then and then only we will select the given data. And count is used for counting the number of entries present in the data set. Okay, we have learned this particular 4 statement. So thank you for joining with me in this particular video. Now in the tomorrow's video we are going to learn different statement based on this particular chapter, which is SQL. Okay, we will learn more 3 to 4 statement tomorrow. Thank you for joining.